How to allow message requests on Instagram from everyone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn on the allow message button from everybody in your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. At this page, tap on 3-bar icon on your top right. Now scroll below and under how others can interact with you, tap on messages and story replies at the first option. From here, tap on message controls and tap on others on Instagram. Now you might have this on don't receive requests. Now go ahead and tap on message requests. As you do so, message requests from other accounts on Instagram will be delivered to your message request folder unless you choose not to receive them. Once you do so, refresh your page and that will allow everybody to send you message requests on your Instagram account. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.